Hi everyone, my name is Tiffany Danzy. I wanted to do a video about coach placement, how you sign up coaches, where you place them in your organization, why we recommend signing up your spouse, how Team Cycle Bonus works. Okay, if you don't understand it the first time, it's okay. It's one of those things that you learn over time, and that's okay. But the most important is, as you're placing coaches, we want to explain to you where to place them or where the best case scenario is. Okay, so this is you when you sign up. You always have a left leg and a right leg. Okay? Your, what we call power leg or your strong leg is the leg that your coach placed you on when you signed up. So when you signed up, your coach chose whether to put you on their right or their left side, and when they do that, that means that's your power leg because your coach is on that same leg, which means your coach can actually sign coaches up and place them under you. Doesn't mean they're your coaches, but Beachbody has it set up where they're basically placed down this line in the order that they sign up. Okay, so even if your coach signed up somebody after you signed up and they decided to put them on your same leg, then they would go under you. So we'll talk a little bit more about that and how that's beneficial when we talk about Team Cycle. But first we're going to talk about placing a coach. So when you have a new coach sign up, you can choose whether they get placed on your left or your right leg. As a general rule of thumb, your right leg is your power leg, or not your right leg. Just depends on which leg your coach placed you on. But let's say for this case scenario, let's say your coach, when you signed up, your coach placed you on his or her right leg. That would make your right leg your strong leg, because that means that people up here are adding coaches to your organization below you. So that's your strong leg because points are going to accrue faster on this side because you have upline help. Okay? So let's say for this case that your right leg is your power leg, your strong leg. So that means when you have a coach sign up, I usually place my first coach on the power leg. And as soon as I have one coach sign up, I sign my spouse up on the weak leg. Okay? So that is what most top coaches will say the best thing to do is to put your spouse on your weak leg. Why do we say to sign up your spouse? Why do you want to pay an extra $15 a month and keep them active by either selling something through them or ordering? So to be active, you have to have 50 volume points either bought or sold through your website every 5 weeks. Okay? Doesn't have to be something you personally buy necessarily to be just active, but it has to be bought or sold through your website. And by the way, this is your first goal actually, to have 2 coaches under you, because this would be emerald status. Okay, that's your first rank that you want to work toward. So back to why to sign up your coach or your husband. Remember how we were talking about this leg, people being able to sign up other people and being placed under you? The same thing happens on this side, but it starts with you. So as you sign up other coaches on this side, your spouse will benefit from that, and we'll talk about that a little bit more. But basically, you're reserving your spouse's spot at the very top of your business so that you can earn money through him and you. It's 2 businesses, basically. It's going to the same household. So you're essentially double dipping, and Beachbody allows this. It's not cheating, but we'll go over that a little bit more. So this is emerald status. 2 coaches under you that are all active, you and those 2 coaches is emerald. When you are an emerald, well, let's talk about that in a minute. Let me go back to placing more coaches. So let's say you have a 3rd coach sign up. Let's say that this coach is never active. You want to be able to make sure that you are a solid emerald so that in case somebody goes inactive, then you already have somebody else under that leg that is active, because Beachbody only requires 1 active coach on each leg, even if you have coaches all the way down, 1 active coach on each leg to be emerald status, okay? So let's say that this coach on your right leg, they're not necessarily on Shakeology Home Direct, which I believe every coach should be on. Let's say they're not necessarily on that, they're not really doing a whole lot with the business, they're not really selling anything, you're going to lose your emerald status, and that's like a very wishy-washy emerald. It's not solid, and you want to be solid. So you could sign up your next coach under this coach to help give you a buffer in case this coach ever went inactive. So basically, that's one thing you could do, or you could just build 3 more coaches this way and 3 more coaches this way in that order, down this leg and then down this leg. And for that reason, we can start talking about team cycle bonus, because that's going to start making more sense. So as an Emerald coach, you can earn what's called a team cycle bonus. Not only do you start getting free customers from the company, people that call in from the infomercials, sign up for a free membership or a club membership, they get assigned a coach. When you are Emerald status, then they will assign you free customers. And at one point, those customers usually buy something, and a lot of them actually become a coach. If you get in contact with them and work with them and help them, a lot of them will become a coach because they're already using the products. So a team cycle bonus. As an Emerald coach, we're going to say E for Emerald. You earn $14 per cycle bonus. As a Ruby coach, you earn $16 as a cycle bonus. And a Diamond is $18. Doesn't sound like a lot of money, but let me explain it. Okay? So basically, remember how I was talking about how on your power leg, your coach can sign up people, and then the people above you, below your coach, are signing up people, and they're all being placed. As other people are building a business as well, and they are signing up coaches, they're all going to be placed underneath, okay, as they sign up in that order. So what happens is Beachbody actually pays a bonus. You do not earn commission on your coaches. You earn commission on your customers' orders, not your coaches. So Beachbody pays when you hit 200 volume points on one side and 100 volume points on the other side, they will pay you. That's one cycle. So they will pay you as an Emerald $14, Ruby $16, and Diamond $18. Okay, so let's say that this person here ordered Shakeology and a box of protein bars, so that's like 100 points. Let's say that this person has 90 volume points because they order Shakeology. Let's say that this person didn't order anything, but they sold P90X, and so, you know, and something else, so maybe it's 100 points. And same thing goes with this side. So as you see, doesn't matter which side gets to 200 and 100, but as you get 200 anywhere on one leg and 200 anywhere on the other leg, all the way down your organization, it all counts. Even if your coach signs someone up after you and they get placed under you, it's part of your organization. It's part of your downline. So those points count for you. So as you accumulate these points, you get paid for a cycle. As you get 200 on one side and 100 on the other, every time that happens in a week period of time, you get a cycle bonus. Now, as an Emerald, it's $14. That's not a huge difference. $2 extra is not a huge difference for a Ruby or a Diamond getting $4 more than an Emerald. But as you increase your rank, you're building a bigger business, because a Diamond is 4 active coaches on each leg, and 2 of those coaches are Emerald, which means they have 2 coaches under their organization that they personally sign up, okay? So you're growing and building. As you grow and build and people under you, you're mentoring your team and showing them how to do exactly what you're doing and growing and building a team, your cycle bonuses will grow and grow and grow, and those couple dollars actually will start to add up. And you're going to just be cycling more because your team is even bigger and bigger. So I actually didn't understand this concept at all when I signed up. I actually started earning the team cycle bonus before I even understood how it worked. And now my team cycle bonus is my lowest right now during the month is about 1,200, and my highest is as high as like 2,000 in a week. That I get paid because of the bonus. It's not commission, the bonus that Beachbody pays me for my team's point accumulation from all my coaches and their teams and all that they're accumulating as well. Okay, so that is team cycle bonus, and that is why we build to Emerald first. And you can see why signing up your spouse here is super smart. Not to benefit your coach or anybody else, but yourself, because it's the same household and it's 2 people. So as you're signing up coaches, and as these people underneath your spouse that you sign up start to build a team, and then they're signing up coaches like this, okay, you can see how your spouse will start to earn a team cycle bonus, which is why it's smart to get your spouse to Emerald eventually, because they can start earning it. Because as a coach, just a coach status, you can earn your commissions, which is wonderful, but it's not like you can earn all of a sudden, thousands of dollars worth of commission in a week. That's just not realistic. The way people make a lot of money doing this is a team and building a team, not just selling products. Okay, it's a great way, but that's how we build a team, is to start with people and helping them and getting them to see that they can get healthier. So that's what the team cycle is and why it's so important and why you should work on building a team. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit more about how to place your coaches. So again, let's say this is you. Let's say, again, this is your right and left leg, and this is your spouse, okay? So if you have a coach who is signing up and is just wanting the discount, they have no interest whatsoever in building a business and sharing with other people, starting challenge groups, I usually put them, let's say for example's sake, this is your power leg that we talked about, which means your coach up here placed you on their right leg. So that means that this is your coach up here, and they are also going to be adding to your downline, all right? So as well as everybody else. So basically, if you have a coach who just wants the discount, has no desire at all to do anything with the business, I typically put them on my strong leg because they're not going to accumulate a whole lot of points for my team. I already have points coming from my coach and from, people above me up here who my coach has signed up before me. They're all contributing, okay? So this side is going to naturally be higher in points than this side, all right? So my discount coaches, I call them, I will put them on, in general, on my right leg. It doesn't mean you have to, it's just what I generally do. Okay, sorry, that's kind of a small picture. On my weak leg is where I want to put my rock stars, I call them. So people who are on fire, who are like, I'm doing what you tell me, I'm teachable, they have a big why. I want to come home, I want to be home with my kids, I don't want to work as a teacher anymore, I want to do this, I want to do that. They want financial freedom, they want to pay off debt. They have a big why, and they have a big passion and a big heart, and they want to work this business, and they're in it for the long haul. I put those people typically on my weak leg because this weak leg doesn't have as many, it doesn't have up to my coach, it only has up to me, okay? So it's going to take a little bit longer to build that leg because it doesn't go quite up as far. So I put my really good coaches on this side. Sometimes you don't know, right? Someone could say, oh, I'm going to blow this up and I'm going to do all this stuff, and they do nothing, okay? I've had that happen lots. Or you think someone's a discount coach and you place them here, and 6 months down the road, they decide they want to do it and they're amazing and they build a huge team. It's okay, because as you build rank, you actually have to have pretty equal coaches. This is kind of getting into more than you need to know, but you kind of have to have some good coaches on both legs and coaches that build to build up your rank. So like if you want to be a 10-star diamond, you have to have 5 diamond coaches on your right leg and 5 diamond coaches on your left leg. So it's not like if you sign someone up over here and you wanted to have them over here, it's not the end of the world. You just have to take it with what it is and what happens, and you don't always know. But that's a general rule of thumb that most coaches will do. They'll put their discount coaches on their strong leg, their powered leg, because it goes up to their coach, and they will put, and sometimes actually the power leg even goes up further than your coach, but it just depends on where you are set up in your coach's business. And sometimes, what was I going to say? Oh, and in general, you sign the people up who are going to be rock stars on this side. And I can explain why, right? Because this leg is going to take longer to build. So this volume over here might be at 4,000 points in a week or whatever. And this one is going to be a lot smaller because it only goes up to you and it doesn't go up any further. So your rock star coaches are going to bring up those volume points quicker than like a discount coach would. So you sign up your Rockstar coaches over here so you can start accumulating more team cycle bonus, right, where they pay you 200 based on 200 points and 100 points on the other leg. You are going to want to build out this leg strong so it can catch up with this leg so you can maximize this cycle bonus, okay? I hope this makes sense, and I hope I touched on everything. On the website, it has a lot of this explained in words. And if you still don't understand, watch the video again. And really, it's not something you have to understand right now. The most important thing is to to make sure that your coaches, I'm going to go down here now, as you sign them up, are being placed on the outside of the leg, okay, and not inside one of your coach's legs, and that's in the preferred placement in your back office under My Business and Preferred Placement. You always want to have it set to right or left. You don't want to have it set to automatic, because automatic means it will go wherever is the closest to the top. So even if this coach has a place open right here, automatic will put you here instead of out here, and if you're in here, you're going to take a little bit longer to benefit from the upline, right? Because that will stop you at this coach instead of going up. Does that make sense? I hope so. Sometimes there are coaches that will be placed on an inside leg. It happens. Sometimes the back office messes up and you only have 72 hours to change a coach to a different leg. So sometimes it happens where they are placed on an inside leg like this, and sometimes, what if this coach isn't active? That means that this person is kind of on their own to build a team, which is perfectly fine. It will just take them a little bit longer to earn those team cycle bonuses, okay? So don't think if you're on this inside leg you're screwed, because that's not true by any means. In fact, the #1 coach in the company right now, she's right here. She's on an inside leg. And her coach, I believe, is just inactive. They do nothing with the business. So she's never had anybody add to her organization except for herself, and she's a millionaire. So don't get all caught up in where you're placed and where you are, and you know, thinking that you're screwed over if you happen to be placed right here. It happens sometimes, and it's okay. You build a business, whether you're here, it's not going to matter. It might take you a little bit longer to earn those team cycle bonuses if you don't have some help above, but you build. Don't waste your time worrying about it. Build where you build, and build a rock star team and work hard. Don't worry about placement and who placed you where and why they placed you there, because your coach placed you the best that they knew, and they built for their business. So, and your coach would recommend you do the exact same thing. So anyway, I hope this video helped and it isn't clear as mud. If you have questions, refer to the Legacy Manual, explains some of this, as well as the website that has been set up for us. And you can also talk to your upline coach to understand it a little bit better. But I hope that helps. The most important thing is where to place your spouse, and those, you know, in general, your not weak, but your discount coaches versus